ride. So you see, we have speakers placed in the different sets, and they play thunder. Any lightning you see is because we put strobe lights in the set. And there's the rain. Now here in Hollywood, we have nothing but the highest of technologies called a sprinkler. The sprinkler will shoot the air straight up into shoot the water straight up into the air, and then gravity does the rest. And we have to have so much of it because that's the best way that it'll come up on camera. If it's a light event, that won't work. So we have to pound the rain. Although I will say, we are kind of using a lot of it. Alright, go ahead and shut off the rain. You don't want to cause a flash flood, do we? Hello? Oh, no. Of thousands of gallons of recycled water being released from tanks. Let's take a look at how Paul Giamatti fares in that very flood in the movie Big Fat Lies.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that. I know! Hang on, funny posted!